Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed on your iPhone. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, for that you have to just simply open settings and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. If it is not working properly, then simply open your Wi-Fi and after that tap on that warning button and forget the network, and after that reconnect, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then simply tap on journal, scroll it below, then tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. If there are connected VPN, then simply disconnect it, and after that tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of your iPhone. If you don't have updated version, then simply update your iPhone, and after that again go back and tap on iPhone storage and locate for the Instagram app, and from here guys simply offload the app and reinstall app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again simply go back to home screen, and after that open App Store and search here for Instagram. So guys, simply tap on it and you have to make sure that there is no update on your device. If there are any update, then simply update the app and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again open settings, and from here guys you have to just simply tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. And if the problem is still there, then you have to just simply check for the down detector, and from here you have to make sure that there is no error on Instagram. If there are any error, then simply wait some hours and hopefully your problem will be fixed in automatically. So that's it for today guys, hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.